Hey guys, welcome. This is David from FayeBSG Group. I'm here just for a few minutes to give you a quick overview of our consolidated custom activities report inside of SugarCRM. This is a report that takes all the different kinds of activities that you can do in Sugar, emails, calls, meetings, tasks, and consolidate them into one easy-to-use report. You can do graphs, or you could do linear reporting, and got lots of cool stuff in here. So when we install this report into your Sugar environment, it just installs it to the reports menu and puts it here at the bottom called Custom Activities Report. When you launch it, you get this cool area on the left-hand side of the screen that gives you all kinds of options, filtering, sorting, grouping. And then from there, based on your answers on the left-hand side of the screen, you get the stuff on the right. For example, we're currently looking at a graph of activities by user. And this came from the selections that we have over here on the left. So for example, there's a question that says render graphs, yes or no? It says yes. Render summary, no. Render details, yes. We want it to be a line chart. There's a few different types of charts. There's a line chart, an area chart, and a column chart. We're going to go with the line chart. You can choose which module for this. So for example, we're using all, but you can pick accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, and such. We're grouping by user. We'll do some other groups in a minute, but right now we've picked assigned username. You can do a range of dates. So for us, we're going from a date in 2014 to a date in 2018. You can do it ascending or descending, and then you can filter by all kinds of records. You can filter by calls, tasks, different kinds of things. So when this renders over here, I'm going to run this right now. I'm going to click Run Report here at the bottom. You'll see it says rendering progress here, and it's counting up to the number of records in the batch, and it finished. So what we're looking at is activities by user. So this is kind of cool. So you can see Sally has the most activities in the date range. She's done 264 emails right there. And then you can see Max is second with 186. And you can see Chris is next with a bunch of activities as well. So this is like a great sort of quick eye view of who your busiest folks are. Now the other thing I can do is I can group all this by month, right? And I can run this report again. And this shows you by month what our activities are, and you'll see the emails are in blue, calls are in red, meetings are in orange, and tasks are in green. And you can see this, you can see, wow, back in 2017, we were sending lots of emails, and somehow the emails died off, and now we're making lots of calls. And then more recently, the calls are dying down. Seems like our guys need to be doing more activities. Down below the graph, you've got the linear data that supports the graph. So you can see on March 15th, here's a bunch of emails that went out, and so on. With whatever you do on this, you can download what's reported to a PDF. You can download a report to a CSV. Lots of flexibility in this, lots of ways to slice and dice the data. If you don't want a graph, if you're not like a graph person, and you just want to do it, look at it without a graph, you can do it this way. I'm going to run the report without a graph. And again, this is for in March. You could see all these emails that got sent, and if I scroll down, oops. June 15th, there's some calls, there's a meeting on July 15th. So if you wanted to run this weekly for your sales team, you can get a lot of detail about what's going on and what people are doing. And so really happy to show this to you guys. If you guys have more questions, give us a call. Our phone number and contact info is on the web page. And I look forward to chatting with you guys about it.